Income, income, income. This is probably what everyone cares about the most. When it comes to increasing income, many people's idea is to do an extra job or get a promotion. But did you know that there's actually a formula for increasing your income? Well, in this video, I'll share with you the formula to increase your income. This formula applies to everyone. Before we get started, if you're first time to this channel, this is a daily update channel that's all about making money with affiliate marketing. If you're interested in this kind of content, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you won't miss out on new videos. Let's get started. Do you wonder why some people can make a lot of money, but some people can only make a little money? Let me tell you the truth. Your income is equal to the value you can provide and the number of people you can reach. This is the formula. Let me give you an example. Today, if there's a man who can make a pizza, this pizza may only be worth $7. But if he works hard and becomes a Michelin chef, then the pizza he made may be worth $15. This is because he increases the value he can provide. Furthermore, if he opened a pizza shop, then his income will increase because the people that he can reach become more. Lastly, if he creates an online course to teach people how to make a good pizza, then his income will increase even more. This is because the value that he can provide and the number of people he can reach both increase as well. You see, this is why your income is equal to the value and the number of people you can reach. So if you want to increase your income, you have to think about, how can I increase the value that I can provide? And how can I increase the number of people that I can reach? If you want to reach more people, then your business has to be online. Because the power of the internet nowadays is very strong. Even Bill Gates said, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Well, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online that you can start. By doing affiliate marketing in the right way, the people you can reach and the money that you can make are unlimited. If you want to know more, simply click the link below to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing for free. Yes, it's free. If your business is online, the only thing that you have to think about is how to increase the value you can provide. If your niche is about travel, what is the value you can provide? If your niche is about gardening, what is the value you can provide? Or if your niche is about video games, what is the value that you can provide? You see, no matter what your business and niche is about, you have to think about this. Because money is a conversion of value. You can't make money without providing value. So this is the formula to increase your income. Your income is equal to the value you can provide and the number of people you can reach. Alright, this wraps up the video. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you think this video is helpful to you.